ਸਾਡਾ ਬੰਦਾ
There you are, dear boy.
Yes, here I am.
Well, we're going to need to get you smartened up a bit.
Why?
Well, you can't play at the tables on a Lanahassee riverboat looking like this.
Yeah?
Not if you want to
ਅੱਛਾ
fit in so well that no one will realize
ਇਹ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ
you're there to
ਜੈਂਟਲਮੈਨ
rob the
ਬਣਾਊਗਾ
place.
ਆਪਣਾ
Now,
ਜਿਹੜਾ
come on.
ਦੋਸਤ ਆ
We still doing that?
ਟ੍ਰੇਲੋਨੀ
Of course. We're going to fix you up so fine no one will notice a thing.
ਚਲੋ ਜੀ
Hello, can I help you, gentlemen?
Yes, my friend here is in need of a new suit. We are playing on the riverboat this evening.
Excellent. Well, you'll find all my inventory in the catalog here.
Make this gentleman look like the Duke he really is. It was the English's fault his grandfather had to emigrate. A bitter and jealous people. Herr Strauss has scoped the whole thing out. It's quite ingenious, actually.
What is?
The action he has planned. Indeed, it's not much of an
ठीक है
action
यार
at all.
ਵਧੀਆ
You
ਲੱਗਦਾ
play cards
क्या
and
बात
win.
है
And you're going to bet very big and flamboyantly while you win. And everyone's going to think you're some new money from the oil fields come to lay it on thick and drunk.
ਇਹ ਕਿੱਧਰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਵੜ ਗਿਆ
My good man, could you smarten up my dear hick friend?
ਅੱਛਾ ਬਾਰਬਰ ਦੇ
This unlikely fellow has made himself a fortune in the oil fields and learned himself not a lick of manners or
ਲੋ ਜੀ
gentlemanly
ਹੁਣ
deportment.
ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖਣਾ ਪਊਗਾ ਹੇਅਰ ਦਾ
Well, very good, sir.
No, it's not good. Not good at all. Not if they're going to let him play big at the tables tonight. I've arranged some transportation for us.
Damn, that fine water. Hope you have a successful evening, gentlemen.
ਲੋ ਜੀ ਹੁਣ ਲਵਾਂਗੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਬੱਗੀ ਤੇ ਝੂਟਾ
Please.
Grand Corrigan, sir.
Well, look at you. From Toad to Brindaged. Your chips will be waiting for you. Ah, there she is. Come on.
Okay.
Arthur, leave any weaponry here. They'll search us when we get on. George, we'll collect these from you later.
Very good, sir.
Thank you, George.
Good luck,
ਆਪਾਂ
sir.
ਆਪਣੇ ਹਥਿਆਰ ਇੱਥੇ ਹੀ ਛੱਡ ਗਏ ਯਾਰ ਇਹ ਬੰਦੇ ਕੋਲੇ
Now remember what I said, Arthur. Everyone is the author of his own good fortune.
Yes, yes, believe me, I heard every word.
Watch Strauss, listen to the dealer, and this should be a very lucky night.
ਓਕੇ ਸਰ
There they are.
ਆ ਖੜੇ ਨੇ
Gentlemen, how wonderful to see you. Arthur, you remember this pair of boys we met in New York? Come on, gentlemen. Champagne is on dear old Arthur. He's rich as can be and feeling luckier than a turkey that survived Thanksgiving.
ਚੱਕੋ ਬਾਈ ਮੈਂ ਜਾਣਾ ਅੰਦਰ
I'm afraid we require all patrons to hand over their guns.
Good time. The tables await.
I'll go find myself a change of clothes.
Okay.
You seem unsure.
Robbing a heavily armed riverboat without a gun tends to bring out the self-doubt in me.
These people are virtually idiots. This is simple stuff. Now have a good time, but don't lose too much money or your wife is going to kill me.
Whatever you say.
ਆਪਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਯਾਰ ਖੇਡਦੇ
Now where can I get a cocktail?
ਖੇਡਣਾ ਤਾਂ ਪੈਣਾ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਖੇਡਣੀ ਤਾਂ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਪੋਕਰ ਚਲ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਬੈਠ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ
We have a chair here with your name on it, sir.
Good evening, gentlemen. Arthur Callahan. Sorry I'm late. I had some unfinished business at the bar.
Desmond Blythe. Evening. Not to worry. Welcome to the game, Mr. Callahan. Okay, gentlemen, let's play.
I hope you're a player. Been too many cowards at these tables recently. Nothing less dignified than a man afraid to lose a little money.
Look at this. Chips already stacked up waiting for me. I like this joint already.
We aim to please, sir.
King.
ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਖੇਡਣੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਯਾਰ
Should've
ਇਹ
brought my other wallet.
Not my preferred title, but yes, you should have. Call.
Oh, I'm in. Call. Call, I guess.
ਕੀ ਹੈ ਯਾਰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਤਾ
Okay, sorry, boys. I'm taking it all.
We'll see about that. To hell with it. You know what? Call. Here we go then. Hello, my ladies.
Mr.
Con-
Blythe wins with 3 queens.
ਜਿੱਤ ਗਿਆ ਓਏ
Goodbye, gentlemen.
ਜਿੱਤ ਗਿਆ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ
Guess
ਬੰਦਾ
it's just you and me now, friend.
Yes, it is.
Time to see if you're really the man you seem to think you are.
Likewise, Mr. Blythe.
So, what business are you in, Mr. Callahan?
I'm an oil man, for my sins.
Funny. I haven't heard
ਯਾਰ
of you.
ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ ਯਾਰ ਮੈਂ ਖੇਡਾਂ ਕਿਵੇਂ
You know, I thought about getting into hosiery, but
ਚੱਕੋ
I just look better in a suit.
I would stick to oil, Mr. Callahan. I don't think you have a future on the stage.
You sound just like my wife.
Sorry to do this to you, but I have no choice. All in.
Here goes.
ਚਲੋ ਬਾਈ ਆਲ ਇਨ
Interesting. Pair of cowgirls. Shit.
ਆਪਾਂ ਜਿੱਤ ਗਏ ਯਾਰ
Guess
ਕਿਆ
my luck
ਬਾਤ ਆ
had it.
ਯਾਰ
Is that you done?
Done?
Bust. Or you got something else to play with?
Meaning.
Well, I heard there was some big boys on this boat. Maybe that's not you. No offense.
Sit your hillbilly ass down.
ਹੈ ਇਹ ਧੱਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਯਾਰ ਵੀ ਧੱਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਖੇਡਣਾ
Got a watch.
Look at you.
An expensive one. Real fine. Swiss. A Reutlinger, no less. It's in the safe upstairs. It's worth more than you.
Okay. I trust you.
Now play.
As you wish.
So, you must know Leviticus Cornwall, big oil man like you.
500 ਯਾਰ
We
ਬੜਾ ਯਾਰ
crossed paths. I was fortunate enough to tour a little
Card ਹੋ
operation
ਗਏ।
heads up in New Hanover.
ਕਿਵੇਂ ਕਰੀਏ ਦੋ
Let's not
ਬਾਦਸ਼ੇ
waste any more time here. All in.
Don't worry, sir. Everyone is the author of his own
Well.
good fortune.
ਚੱਕੋ ਜੀ
Ventured,
ਆਲ ਇਨ
Nothing gained. Pair of kings.
Very good, but not good enough.
Shit. Uh-oh. Yes, you little beauty.
Hard lines, Mr.
ਕੌਣ ਜਿੱਤ
Blythe.
ਗਿਆ
Mr. Callahan wins with an ace-high diamond flush.
God damn you! No offense.
None taken.
Well played, sir.
ਕਿਆ ਬਾਤ ਹੈ ਯਾਰ
Desmond.
Now, forgive my
ਆਪਾਂ
lack
ਜਿੱਤ
of
ਗਏ
discretion.
ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ
but,
ਪਤਾ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ
Where might I find this watch?
It's upstairs. Shall we go and have a look?
Why not?
Gentlemen.
Please, cash these out for me.
I started last week.
Good. Sure.
ਲੋ ਜੀ ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ ਉੱਪਰ ਜਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਚ ਲੈਣੀ ਆ ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਵਿਸ਼ ਵਾਚ
Follow me, gentlemen.
Come with me.
ਚਲੋ ਜੀ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਆਪਾਂ ਉਹ ਜਿੱਤੇ ਆ
You're having quite the night.
Yeah, so far.
I cannot believe someone gave a greaser a job.
We live in strange times.
ਜੂਆ ਖੇਡਣਾ ਮਾੜੀ ਗੱਲ ਆ ਗੱਲ ਕਰ
I wouldn't trust one with a gun, but fear not. I've got my own little lawgiver right here.
I'm sure he can afford it.
Well, here we are.
ਆਪਾਂ ਹੈਗਾ ਯਾਟ ਦੇ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਉੱਪਰ ਵਾਲੇ ਰੂਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਯਾਰ
Just give me 1 second, sir.
Of course, take your time.
ਓਕੇ
Don't reach for that gun.
Take his gun, Arthur.
I guess you were right. Only an idiot would give a greaser a gun.
ਕੀ ਹੈ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅੱਛਾ ਪੈਸੇ ਨੇ
Idiot, huh?
Shit, let's hope no one heard that.
View in here is looking pretty good.
How much is there?
Must be a few thousand.
ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵਾਚ ਮਿਲ ਗਈ ਯਾਰ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਮੇਨ ਸੀ।
Now let's get out of here. Come on. Let's go meet the others.
Sure.
ਜੇਵੀਅਰ
We've only got a few minutes to get out of here.
ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਘੱਟ ਟਾਈਮ ਆ ਯਾਰ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਨਿਕਲਣਾ ਪੈਣਾ। ਗਲਤੀ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਆਪਾਂ ਤੋਂ।
Is that a gunshot? It sounded like one. Come on.
ਚਲੋ 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 ਚਲੋ।
How exactly are we getting out of here?
I ain't too sure. This is what tends to happen when you leave Trelawney in charge of planning. Oh, garnish no meat. Probably involve us dressing up as dancing girls and canning off the
ਚਲੋ
side.
ਚਲੋ 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 ਯਾਰ ਨਿਕਲਣਾ ਪੈਣਾ ਗਾ ਇੱਥੇ।
Thanks. Give anyone a job these
ਆਪਾਂ
days.
ਨਿਕਲਾਂਗੇ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਯਾਰ, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਤਾ। ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲੇ ਵੋਟ ਹੋਵੇ ਇੱਕ
Maybe we can
ਨੀਚੇ।
still blend into the crowd when it all goes crazy.
Which it
ਆਪਣੇ ਦੋ
sure
ਬੰਦੇ ਨੀਚੇ ਨੇ।
To the bar, senor.
I hope you had fun, sir.
At the time of my life. You boys sure know how to put on a show.
That's wonderful. Ah, look, there's your friend.
ਹੋ ਰਹਿ ਗਿਆ ਸਟ੍ਰੈਸ। ਚੱਲ ਸਟ੍ਰੈਸ ਚੱਲ ਚੱਲੀ ਗਏ ਯਾਰ, ਚੱਲੀ ਗਏ।
There he is.
Now, don't be a sore loser, friend.
Something I don't like about the pair of you.
There's plenty I don't like about you, but I have the good manners to keep my mouth shut.
There he is! Shoot that man!
ਹੈਂ?
We gotta get out of here!
ਚੱਕੋ ਜੀ। ਐ ਮਾਰੇਗਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਬੰਦੇ ਨੂੰ, ਐ ਮਾਰੋਗੇ।
I don't know, this ain't my show. Silly me, I clean forgot to bring my gondola.
ਮੇਰੇ ਮਾਰੀ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਸੀ ਯਾਰ, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਐ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗਿਆ। ਆ ਮਾਰੀ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਸੀ। ਅੱਛਾ
Arthur, come on, we gotta go! Damn it!
ਓਏ ਚੱਲ।
Come on! What about the alligators?
ਹੈਂ ਭੱਜਾਂਗੇ ਕਿੱਧਰ ਦੀ? ਇੰਨੀ ਦੂਰ ਸਵਿਮ ਕਰਕੇ ਜਾਣਗੇ ਯਾਰ, ਕਮਾਲ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਆ।
Well, never a dull moment.
Yeah, that's one way of putting it.
So, how much did we get?
A few thousand, I think. Pretty good.
Yes, indeed.
And this watch, apparently it's worth a bunch. Swiss, a Reutlinger or something?
Nice watch. Yes, it's a Reutlinger, all right.
Give it back there. All right, come on, let's get out of here.
ਚਲੋ ਜੀ।
Very funny. What is that?
ਓਹੋ ਓਹੋ, ਕੈਰਨ ਨੂੰ ਮਾਰਤਾ ਯਾਰ ਆ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਨੇ। ਉਹ ਆ ਗਏ। ਉਹ ਡ੍ਰਿਸਕਨਲ। ਸ਼ਿਟ 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 ਸ਼ਿਟ।
Arthur, now, go on.
ਓਹੋ ਥੱਲੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਜਾਣਾ, ਥੱਲੇ ਥੱਲੇ ਗੈਂਗ ਬਚਾਉਣੀ ਆ, ਥੱਲੇ ਗੈਂਗ ਬਚਾਉਣੀ ਆ।
Come on, damn Driscoll. Hold in here. Stay away from the window.
ਚੱਲ
Get inside fast. Come on, quick. Don't let anyone back through that door.
ਆਹੀ ਆ ਓਏ। ਓਹੋ
What in God's name is... We're overrun! Just keep shooting! Back to the house, come on! Come on, we're covering!
ਆ ਗਿਆ ਕਵਰ ਤੁੱਲ ਹੋਊਗਾ ਹੀ ਹੋਊਗਾ। ਇੱਥੇ ਮੈਂ ਇਕੱਲਾ ਕੀ ਕਰੂੰ ਯਾਰ, ਗੋਲੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਗੋਲੀਆਂ ਉਹ ਚਲਾਈ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਨੇ, ਥੱਲੜਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਨਿਸ਼ਾਨੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗੇ ਯਾਰ। ਅੱਛਾ ਓਹੋ ਓਕੇ ਹੁਣ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਸਾਲਾ ਥੱਲੇ ਆਉਣਾ ਸੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੇ। ਹੁਣ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਮਾਰ ਦੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ, ਹੁਣ ਨਹੀਂ ਛੱਡਦਾ।
Is everyone accounted for? I don't know. I think. That's Mrs. Adler.
ਕਿਹਨੂੰ ਬਚਾਉਣਾ?
inside. Poor kid.
ਆਪਣਾ ਬੰਦਾ ਮਰ ਗਿਆ
Mr.
ਯਾਰ
Swanson, would you take this boy and bury him someplace near, but not too near?
Of course. Charles, help me with the body.
We need to get this place cleaned up. Mr. Pearson, Miss Grimshaw.
Already taking care of it. Come on now, work.
Colm O'Driscoll. That man can really hate. So can I, Arthur.
ਹੋ ਹੋ
So can I. We need to get moving. Away from here. So we should start looking for another camp.
ਦੁਬਾਰਾ ਫੇਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਹੋਰ ਨਵਾਂ ਕੈਂਪ ਲਾਉਣਾ ਪਊ ਯਾਰ
Seeing the vastness of our problems and our opportunities. I'm not sure I get you. You will, son. You will. Meet me near the trolley station. We got work.